right, here's a preview on this 59 Chevy Apache 3100 short bed, step side. Truck has just got killer patina, looks incredible. Truck is slammed. I mean, the question, how low can you go? I think this is it. The static drop on an S10 frame, give it this great stance, runs and drives down the road, fantastic. Got a new exhaust, new wiring, rebuilt 350 motor, rebuilt 350 trans, new drive shaft, Dakota digital gauges, new wheels, tires. Power disc brakes, power steering. Doors do sag a little bit. I do have new hinges for the doors. I've got a rubber kit, some extra parts, bucket seats, Lokar shifter. Like I said, Dakota digital gauges. Fantastic truck, great driver.